Well, folks, we're back now. It's later in the day now. So earlier I had shown um, uh, we had kind of heard glimpse of tree crew, well, neighbors, well, actually even tree crew cutting down. I think a couple good trees in one of the nearby neighbors' yards and stuff. Well, I was just outside this whole time. Walked up kind of to not all the way to the end of our driveway, but to near the end of our driveway to kind of get a little bit more of a closer look. I had woke up from taking a nap and heard that they were still around, and they've pretty much been they've pretty much been out around here pretty much all day, and actually watched them cut down two more trees, and watch them drop one of the two other trees that ended up seeing them cut down. Um, well, they're just finishing up. They still got some chainsawing going on. Yep, there's still some chainsawing going on a little bit. Um, it's late. It's getting late in the day now, so they've got to be probably just about done for the day by now. I didn't really do any videoing when I was watching stuff, you know, more further near the end of the driveway because, you know, I didn't want to get my people here concerned, especially our people that would be driving by and leaving and stuff, you know. And I also didn't want to get some of the other neighbors, concerned about, the camera facing their place and stuff. But yep, there's still some chainsawing going on. Ever since early this morning, as you can see, the sun has come out too. Well, we got a good bit of a breeze now. Folks. Just take a quick look this way. Tree crew's been around here pretty much all day, pretty much, folks. And when we watch them drop, when we watch them drop one of the two trees that we had seen them dropping and taken down while out by near end of our driveway and stuff. It was quite impressive for sure. And then everybody was all going woo, woo, yeah, you know. And then one of our other people here said that they were just kind of sitting in their car, and they heard it, and they were concerned about exactly what was going on, the way that it sounded. I told them how we saw it. And at one point I happened to see the truck that